大家好，欢迎来到我的小博客。Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria and we're learning Chinese together here. This is another Words of the Week video and today's list starts with the word 了如指掌, which means to have something at your fingertips, to know something as the back of your hand. It's one of those rare examples when Chinese and English have one and the same metaphor because 了如指掌 exactly means to know something like your fingers and your palm. I guess in every culture people know their hands so well that they create metaphors for it. 我对这里的每条大街小巷都了如指掌. I know every street here like the back of my hand. 我们对彼此都了如指掌. We know each other inside out.
你怎么知道？我是你铁粉呀，你的一切我都了如指掌。
Next one is gōngrán, means publicly, in the open. It's usually used in the negative sense, like when you do what you're not supposed to do and you don't even try to hide it. 他公然在考场上作弊，受到了应有的处分。He openly cheated at the exam and got the punishment he deserved. 他公然表示他对公司改革的反对，同事们都很吃惊。He openly said he opposed the reforms of the company, and all his colleagues were very much surprised.
他今年4月在一场公开演讲当中呢，就公然宣称：我们撒谎，我们欺骗，我们偷窃，这是美国不断探索前进的荣耀。
Next is shùnxīn, satisfactory, literally pleasing to somebody's heart. 遇到了不顺心的事情，也不要担心。Don't worry if something goes not the way you wanted. And 顺心 is a 离合词, which means it's a separable word. You can split it and add a modifier in between. For example, 他这个人很烦，我们就顺他的心吧。He is so hard to deal with. Let's just do as he wants.
新年大家都希望更顺心。新年大家都希望更健康，新年大家都希望有更好的改变。
Next is 殖民, which means to colonize, and 殖民国家 is a colonialist power that has 殖民地, a colony. A colonizer is 殖民者, and indigenous people are 原住民。
美国终于从最初被英国殖民统治，到后来独立。最终发展成为了一个不管肤色种族人人平等承认每一个公民平等权利的社会。
Next is 评理, to reason things out, to judge between right and wrong. 兄弟找了妈妈评评理. The brothers asked their mother to judge who's right and who's wrong.
闺女啊，我这手肿得可疼了，中午不做饭了啊。
中午我做吧。手咋肿了呢？
还不是你爸整的。
啥？我爸我找他评理去。
哎，闺女，不用，我这手没事啊。
咋没事呢？他一个大老爷们怎么能当媳妇呢？我找他评理去。
哎，闺女。
爸，你凭啥打我妈呀？你有什么打的他的手
？Next word is 照例, as a rule, as usual. 今天早上我照例喝了一杯咖啡。In the morning, I had a cup of coffee, just as usual.
照例呢，我们还是去找深层原因。
Next is 现学现用, to put into practice immediately after you learn something, or it has another variant, 现学现卖. 学习中文单词要现学现用。When you learn Chinese words, you must immediately put them into practice as you learn them. And the last word is zuòbà, to drop, to let it go, usually about some matter. 这件事只好作罢. This matter has to be dropped.
我知道一定要让他知道我的病。我觉得如果他接受不来，那就作罢。
Okay, that was it for today. As usual, I encourage you to comment below what vocabulary you are currently learning. And 谢谢大家耐心观看，下次再见，拜拜。